Do you look to companies like Disney or maybe a Pixar or something that were able to scale and still keep their creative at the top?
Yes, very, very much so.
You have to look at their org structures and even their company ethos.
Yes.
I mean, I don't know enough about that, but there are examples, not a ton, of where it's happened in the entertainment world.
I think so. And it's not that it's impossible to do, but again, you know, I don't know if Bob Iger, I haven't spent time with Bob, so I don't know how much he personally wants to be involved in the creative. Of course, he's got some great generals underneath him. I
do.
I do.
Yeah.
But, you know, look, ultimately my goal and my responsibility as the CEO of this company is to deliver, at the end of the day, value. Value to our customers. I don't like really saying customers, to be quite honest, but fan bases, enthusiasts, collectors. I've got to deliver value to them, and I have to deliver value to our shareholders. And that is what's going to drive me, no matter what. At the end of the day, I'm going to do what I need to do to make sure that this company continues to grow and really leads the way, blazes the trail, blazes the path. And the nice thing is that I'm being told this, you know, like I said earlier, no one's doing what you guys are doing. And boy, does that fire me up. You know, it fires me up. It just, how often you get, I mean, you did this. You look at you. You know, I guarantee you people say that to you about yourself. And not that we're looking for that ego stroke. I'm not. I mean, I'm just fired up that I'm doing it. I don't need the ego stroke. By the way, I already know how great I am. I want you to tell me how shitty I am, because I'll learn from. Don't give me the compliment.
Do you hate compliments?
I don't hate them, but I don't find value in them. Right. I like them for a second, because we all like to hear something. Oh, that's a nice, you know, anything. Nice shoes today, Dave.
Right.
Oh, great.
But then you want to hear how you could have made it better.
Yeah, like, you know what you should have worn instead of that?
Yeah.
You know, because if you, that helps you grow.
Right. You want to improve.
I want to improve. Like, I'm a guy who, you know, as a writer, you know, I'll turn a script into my writing, my buddies who are writers, great writers. And I'll say, don't tell me what you like about it. I already know what's good about it. I promise you, I'm loving it. Now, otherwise, you wouldn't get it. If I didn't love it, it wasn't coming across you. Tell me what I'm missing here. What am I not seeing? Where's the shitty part of this? What did I mess up on? And by the way, that is one of my strengths. A lot of people don't want to hear the negative of anything. I only want to live in the negative. I'll hear your compliment and I'll appreciate that. Dave, that's amazing work. This is fantastic. But what I want to know is, you know what you should have done there? And if I'm hearing it from somebody I respect, which is the only people that I really, you know, then I have a lot to learn from that. I don't know it all. There are people doing amazing things, way better than I am. How can I learn from them? And that's how we grow. And that's how I can improve my work and Orange Comet's work, or, you know, as a producer, that's how I improve my work. So don't tell me what's good about what I just gave you. Tell me what's shitty about it.
I'll know that for the future.
Yeah, exactly. I'll take it.
I'll give you feedback on your text messages.
I'll take it. Believe me, I'll take it.
Well, you know, we looked to add over 150 deals so far inside London Real Ventures and spoke to so many CEOs and went through the pitch decks. And I spent the last 2 years in the Web3 space speaking with the best of the best in this business. I mean, for one 3-month stretch, I did not talk to a billionaire founder of one of these protocols. It was crazy. And there's something special about what you guys are doing.
Well, that means, by the way, I mean, you just gave me a chill, because that means the world to me. I mean that. That means everything to me.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, He's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, do you want to profit from crypto? Then join my DeFi Academy. The Crypto DeFi Academy will help you create generational wealth. But don't take my word for it. Listen to my students.
When I first got into crypto, I remember thinking to myself, I need to learn more. Brian Rose, learning crypto, learning DeFi, gotta do it.
I am so grateful that I jumped in and did this. I had to break through some limiting beliefs that I can do this, that I can afford this, that I can be in this.
It challenges the things that are deeply rooted within us.
Joining DeFi Academy has been one of the best decisions I have made on my blockchain journey.
This course was a life changer, a game changer, a huge eye-opener, coming from knowing practically nothing at the speed of the learning over 4 weeks was just fantastic.
The information you provided in this class was invaluable.
I feel far more confident in my next steps.
You took complex concepts and made them easier to understand.
What's different than so many other ones is it just doesn't tell you what to do. It actually makes you do it.
This is for people who are serious about becoming traders. This is the way it should be done.
I realized from this learning experience again that it is not about what you learn, but about who you learn it from.
The energy was insane. I've never experienced such incredible energy on a live call. Brian Rose, you are a legend, my friend.
It's the only thing in the market where you can get all information and learn everything what you need to know.
Everything is so clear and so well done, and I'm just forever grateful for this program.
It made me feel so much more confident about crypto than I did before.
I did not anticipate how passionate I was going to become about it.
It's also been like a big learning experience for me, not just in the crypto space, but just in overall balance of life.
What I've learned is, how to take ownership, of my life in a way that I really hadn't before.
Yeah, you can't put a price on that, really.
I would recommend it to anybody, top notch.
Excellence does not come cheap. So if you want excellence, you got to pay for it, but it's so worth it.
Pull the trigger. That's what this course is about.
You're not going to regret it, really. It's amazing.
Thank you, Brian and team.
So what are you waiting for? Crypto is happening now. Click the link below, submit your application, and let me mentor you on how to create generational wealth and build the decentralized financial infrastructure of the future.